Welcome back, everybody, for my channel. We discussed some stocks last week and week before. I have seen those stocks going up, some of them, especially I think 7 West Media. We had a look last week or week before, I can't exactly remember, but since then it has jumped 20%, I think, close to 20% or 10% after sales update, so that's good. And even the other stock we had a look, AGL in my channel is still going okay, I think. Let's have a quick look what's happening with AGL. We had a look here, still pretty good. I'll change this to weekly. We like to see the big picture. Yeah, at this stage that looks good as well. 7 Media I was telling previously, I think it's WN. We had a look before. Yep, pretty good. Yeah, some of the stocks we had looked before doing good, and some I don't want to say I am the one who pick all the good ones. Some may be not good because we are looking at the probability and talking about the high probability, but you don't control the market, so it's we are here to look what give you more reward with less risk, or other words, it's what stocks look good to go higher, like high probability. So that's what we are here to look. And I have some stocks this week as well, but just to be clear, this is my opinion and these are the stocks I found, so this is not financial advice. If you want to invest in these stocks, please do your own research on them. Let's first look at this one. This is AWN, Aventus Group. So I saw this in what do you call it? When I was looking for good stocks or stocks to buy in the TradingView. I'm using TradingView. I saw this. If you look here, this is now almost crossing this previous all-time high before the COVID. So this stock, so it has gained from the COVID. It had a good run, so up to the top 129%. It has gained 129%, but I like this setup. If you look here, this is the previous high, this is my resistance block. Now it is sort of touching and try to go up this resistance. And the other thing I like about it is, see, the last 4-5 weeks volume is increasing, so that is a good sign. This is a stock I'll be watching closely. I would like to enter this stock if this close above. If I go to the daily charts, see, it's around this area. I like to close above my box, maybe 1 or 2, 3 days, then you can enter. And it is a good stock, but again, like we discuss in our channel lot, you have to put a tight stop loss because you never know, it can go up then come down. So to what do you call, protect the losses or minimize the losses, we have to put a stop loss if you enter into this stock after closing above the box. Okay, let's look at the stocks for this week. I have few stocks which are looking interesting for this week. Let's have a quick look. So the This is AVN ticket code, Aventus Group. So when I was looking at the trade, I'm using TradingView. I was doing some screening. I found this stock. It has run a good run from the COVID low. If we measure it, it has run 124% up to now. Keep it there so you can have a look. But like right now, it is looking interesting. See the volume, last few weeks the volume also picking up, but now it is at this resistance area. I have my resistance box. If we look closer, see we have hit that resistance, came down and sort of closing around that area. So what I like to see is close this maybe 1 or 2 weeks above this my resistance box, then we get the confirmation it is heading high. But even now, even then, let's say if it close above this one this box 1 or 2 weeks, I would put a stop loss around end of my box, let's say $3, so that way you, if it goes down, that's my tool, if it goes down, then you are protected because you have this stop loss here. So that's the first stock we are looking today. Next one is Mineral Resources. So this has a good run lately. This is related to see the sort of from 2016 it is going up, then had a bit of a dip, then this is the COVID low, and let's have a look how much it has run. It has run 300%, so it's a pretty good stock. Let's have a look. This stock I am watching for a while now. I always miss the opportunity to buy at the right time. Now I'm sort of seeing is it the right time now, because see the last week very high volume, you can see it came all here, but buyers pushed it all the way up to sort of top of my resistance box. So that's a good sign. Again, like the thing is, see 1 2 3 4 weeks now it is going up. So but I think is it again like the previous, it is looking good, but I would wait again 1 or 2 weeks to see if it goes up and close above my resistance box, because it has this sort of pattern, like the step sort of a pattern. See, that has sort of repeated all the way. Now I believe it is going to repeat the same pattern. Let's do some quick measurement. Where is my tool? Price range. See, roughly it has dropped 20% here, then it has gone up 70%, and let's see from here. Yeah, see, it has dropped again like close to 20%, and then next move up is from here to here, 50%. Let's see that last drop, what's the, so last drop is 14. Yeah, so it is sort of respecting these drops and hikes. So it's roughly dropping 15 to 20% from a top, then go up again 15 to this one 70, this is 50, so let's say 50%. So if we say if it is going 50%, so our price target will be 20 21, let's say 60 or 21.30. So from current price it is 26% gain, so it's not bad. Yeah, like I really like this stock. This is like EVT, but like any stock it can come down, so that's why I always use the stop loss. I would wait 1 or 2 weeks just to close above this, just to make sure, get the confirmation it is going up past this resistance. And if I buy, I would put a stop loss around this box, like bottom of my box, $48.50 maybe, then see how it goes. Next stock is Mlt Built-In Corporation. Again, same setup. There's this filter I run, sorry, not the filter, the screen I ran is the finding what stocks close to 52-week high. That's why it's all the same sort of setup, these stocks. This one again, you can see I marked the previous resistance line here. So last week it has gone up with high volume, and this week it has dropped to that sort of resistance. See, it sort of stopped above that resistance. See, if I make it big. So again, it has closed above the resistance. Let's see what happens next to 2 weeks. I don't know, it looks good, but if it goes down next week, it will be not good, so that's why we have to wait. Next one is SDF, Steadfast Group. Same scenario. I marked this resistance line here, and this is the other resistance box. So this, you can see now it has hit this resistance, gone back. This time sort of try to go up, it closed above. That's why I say we have to wait 1 or 2 weeks to get the confirmation. See here, close 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3rd week it has come down and stopped at this box. So let's say if you entered in this week thinking it is going up, and if you put a stop loss in bottom of my box, then you lose only few. Let's have a look how much you lose. That's why I say it's always let's say you buy close of this week, here top of that candle, then you put the stop loss here, so you lose 2% because it has come down here and gone up, but when it comes down nobody knows whether it will go up or down. So okay, this is looking good. This is another sort of support area for this stock. Yeah, see it has passed that previous resistance, but I have to see if it keep going. Volume hasn't increased much, it sort of has the same volume. Overall the volume has dropped, you can see. Yeah, let's see, volume wise it's not that good. Who knows, maybe volume pick up from announcement, or let's see. Last stock is Telix Pharmaceutical Tlx. Actually, because I sorted these, I filtered these stocks sort of midweek, I think Wednesday, maybe Tuesday night for this week. That time I saw this one and all other stocks I was showing you, and actually I bought this stock around sort of this $5.20 or something last week, I think from memory, and you can see it has done really good because it's the same setup as previous. So it has closed above my box last week. That's what I thought, because the volume. So I'll tell you why I entered into this stock. As I was looking at, so see, this is resistance area. So it has hit once, gone down, hit twice, gone down. So the third time it has crossed, and you can see these volumes. See the volume here. This is that bar. Then the volume has dropped. Then volume is picking up. See the volume in week, not last week, week before. It is picking up. Then last week has a huge volume. So let's go to the daily chart and see. You can clearly see the volume. See the volume. The volume is picking up, and because it crossed this resistance here first time it crossed, you can see the volume, big volume. Then next second day, more or less same volume. Then third day, high volume. Fourth day, high volume. Friday, big volume coming in. So I think I entered, this day, the Wednesday, because I was looking at these ones Tuesday from memory. So then I saw this volume is picking up. Then I thought, okay, maybe put some money, and again, like I say, the videos, I have put my stop loss around here. Now I am moving it up as the price goes up, because I don't want to lose my profit. My strategy is, some stocks I play this swing trading strategy, so I want to make money. Some I keep long term, so then for the long term ones I don't keep that tight stop losses, because I am looking at sort of big picture. But this one, because I didn't know much about this Telix Pharmaceutical, and I just went by the charts, and I just wanted to make some money, and it has worked well so far. Let's see how it goes next week, week after.